Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming connectivity and system readiness. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is stable and disable VPNs. Next, update iOS and set date and time to automatic so Apple servers verify correctly. Open Settings, tap Sign into your iPhone, then choose Create Apple ID. Enter a valid email and a strong password, fill birth date, and pick security questions. This prevents validation failures. Once done, verify the email when prompted, so Apple can complete initial account creation. Now focus on verification and server-side issues. When you receive a code, enter it immediately. If it times out, request a new one. Make sure you're not already signed in elsewhere with the same email. Sign out of iCloud on other devices to prevent duplicate session errors. Open Apple's System Status page to confirm iCloud and accounts are operational. If they show partial issues, wait and retry during off-peak hours. If payment method blocks you, choose None or update billing details and try again. Finish by completing identity verification and accepting Apple's terms, then confirm account activation via the emailed link. If creation still fails, restart your device to clear temporary cache and retry. Often a simple reboot resolves transient errors. If problems persist, try creating the Apple ID on another device or through a desktop browser, because device-specific software or configuration can block the flow. One key tip: if you hit repeated failures, contact Apple support with the exact error text and timestamps so they can trace server logs and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.